Oh, there's another one. Hello guys, it's US Drums and Sirens. Today we're getting some wind gusts and some thunder wars. We're getting some thunder wars from a different storm that's off to our west. These clouds are moving pretty dang fast. And there's a chance of light rain for the next hour. And there's also a bad storm coming at 9 o'clock tonight. 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. And heavy downpours. Oh yeah, that's very ugly looking over there. Let's go over here a little bit. My trees are doing good, so that's good. Yeah, you can probably hear the thunder in the distance. Yeah, there's some dark clouds coming over us. Here they come. These clouds might produce some strong winds with them because they're so low to the ground. Sorry about the AC vent in the background. Oh, there goes a bird. Let's try to listen for some thunder. Let's try to listen. Let's just listen. Ignore that. There's planes always going over us. There's constantly airplanes going over us. I heard like boom, boom, boom 3 times. Oh my gosh, guys. I keep hearing stuff. I don't know what that is. There goes the wind. That's weird. It got like light over there. It's like light. It's like lighter over there now. It's so weird. Here come the clouds, you guys. They're coming right over us. Oh, that's a big cloud, you guys. Oh, we're about to get some windy winds. This wind's about to go crazy in a few seconds. Just watch this. Oh my goodness. Oh. I think I just heard thunder again. I found this branch sitting in my yard. I'm just gonna wait for that cloud to come over here. Oh, there goes the wind again. Man. I'm gonna go back to the back in a couple of minutes. Oh, that's a big cloud. Look at how fast it's moving. That is a very dark cloud. You can hear the cuckoos going. I'm just walking around my house, just showing you all this wind and clouds. Hey, there's a cuckoo in my cypress. Another one in my oak. Oh, wind's starting to roll in. The wind is starting to roll in because of that big cloud. Let's go take a look at it. Oh, seems like it's like over us now. Well, it's about to be over us. Oh, it's coming, guys. It's coming. You can see the live oak going. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars passing by. Still no sirens yet. Well, there's probably not going to be any sirens right now because it's not that bad. Whoa, look over there. There goes the wind again. Yeah, it's not too bad out here. It's like quiet right now. It's very quiet. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I will see y'all in a second. Alright, we're in the backyard here. As you can see, it's slightly louder and more windy. Still very cloudy though. Gusty winds, but very cloudy. I'm just walking around my backyard here. There's my trampoline, my fire pit, swing, dead tree stump. This is the tree that, if you guys don't know on my channel, it's in my old videos that I used to have this tree. I miss this tree, but it was a great tree. As you can see, it's just a bunch of fungi and crap in there. You can see some wood we piled up right here. Here's my dead tree. Oh, here comes the wind again. Man, I gotta make sure my phone stays charged today because there's a big storm on its way tonight. And I freaking hate these plants. You guys know these plants with like spikes on them and like these little berries and like flowers on them? The spiky plants, I don't know what they're called. I'll have to look them up, but so this Bradford pear is way different. You guys noticed on the channel. This is not my tree. It's not my tree. This is my neighbor's. This is my neighbor's Bradford pear. As you can see, it's my neighbor's. You can see it's in the ground right there. So yeah, this tree does not belong to me. It's my neighbor's Bradford pear. And Well, this tree is in the corner of the fence line here. And this Bradford pear was growing out. Like, it was like, so this top right here was like going out that way, and that top was going like out that way. So they decided to tie it up. I don't know how they did that. But it's like, ooh, all the way up to the top. I feel kind of bad for that Bradford pear, but it's okay. I shouldn't feel bad because they're invasive species. Invasive species. They're very bad trees. They actually produce a berry on them that can kill other trees. So I hope those crepe myrtles stay alive. Look at my dead tree. As you can see, it's blowing. I'm gonna keep this hanger in. Look at that. Come on, focus. Just focus. Oh my gosh, just focus. It's not that hard. There goes the wind again. These winds are like room temperature winds. And these little stupid grass things have been growing up against my house. I'm just gonna pull them all out because why not? Man, look at how much grass I just pulled out. Goodness gracious. Yeah, there you go. It's all in the fire pit now. It's just gonna rot and burn. And these things, I don't know what they're called, but they look like, I don't know if that's a tree or what. It literally looks like a tree. There actually used to be a tree growing right there under my trampoline. It was a red oak. And instead of moving my trampoline, I just ripped it up because I was too lazy to move my trampoline. I'm sorry. But I want a tree to grow like, I would definitely prefer a tree like grow around here somewhere. I would really prefer a Yopon holly, another Yopon holly, or an oak, or another cypress, or a willow, or a Chinese elm, so it can be like that big one over there. Oh, there goes the wind. Oh, the sun's coming out again. The sun's about to come out. I don't know what time it is right now. Let's see what time it is. 6:02 p.m. Look at that. Look at that nice clearing right there. And there goes a plane. But that cloud is about to cover it back up. Wow. This is nuts. Look at how fast that cloud is moving. Alright, I'm going to end this video off because the storms are not really picking up much. We're just getting some fast-moving clouds and wind, so when the storm is here, I will let y'all know. So, I appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Have a great day. See y'all later. Come on, camera. Just freaking shut off. Okay, there we go.